Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to resolve one of the most annoying issues, that is app not installed error on Android. Many users have complained about this problem, thus, if you are currently facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. So, without wasting any further time, let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Most probably app not installed error arises due to corrupted application, insufficient storage space, application permission, incompatible app version, unsigned applications and SD card not mounted in the device. Now, let's move on to know how to solve app not installed error on Android with 5 best fixes. Solution 1. Restart your Android device. Sometimes just by restarting your device can solve the issue. So, just try it once. To restart your device, press and hold the power button until a menu appears. Select Restart. Wait for the device to restart. After that, try to connect with the app again. It may solve your app not installed error on Android phone. Solution 2. Uninstall unwanted apps. App not installed error on Android can be fixed by uninstalling the unused clutter of obsolete applications on phone. You might know which apps were installed recently, so uninstall them first. To uninstall the apps, follow the steps. First, go to Settings, then find Installed Apps. Choose Recently Installed Apps. Now click on Uninstall. Solution 3. Reset App Preferences. To do so, you have to, first, go to Settings on phone. Then click on Apps and Notifications. Now tap on All Apps tab, then click on 3 dot at top right corner. Then click on Reset App Preferences. Here, you will get a pop-up box in which you have to click on Reset Apps. Solution 4. Factory Reset your phone. The last manual solution to fix this issue is factory resetting your phone. However, doing this will wipe out all data on your phone. So, make sure to create backup of your phone's data before doing this. In order to do this, open the Settings, then go to the System, and click on the Backup and Reset. At this time, tap on the Erase All Data option. Finally, click on the Delete All Data button. After doing this, restart your phone. Now, check if the app not installed error on Android is resolved. Solution 5. Use Android Repair Tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve the app not installed issue, then there is no better option than using the Android Repair Tool. It will help you to fix the app crashing issue on the phone, along with fixing many other system errors and issues, such as the phone being stuck in a boot loop, update failure issues, black screen of death error, and many more. So, I will highly recommend you to use this tool to fix this problem. If you want to try this software, then click on the link given in the description box below. So, this is all about fixing app not installed error on Android phone. I hope these solutions will help you in resolving the problem. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users facing the same problem, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.